Welcome everyone to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix a cracked bumper. As you can see, mine's almost ready. And the whole vehicle will be painted as well. There was a crack like right here. So I used metal wire to weld it inside, and then of course you plastic weld everything from both sides, this and this one, and then sand it with 80 grit sandpaper with a block, of course, to make it straight. And then you use here's what I use: bundle glass. Okay, so pretty much you mix it and it's like a fiberglass, but it has some clothing inside, like some stuff. So as you can see, my whole bumper is done with it. So now I will have to, and of course you sand this with 80 grit sandpaper to make it all straight and stuff like that. You use bigger block to do this, so it would be more straight. And as you can see, like right here, I use some wire as well, but I'm not gonna worry about fixing this, like making it straight and nice, but because it's gonna be covered anyway. As you can see, my vehicle is like it had like many damages, and also my clear coat was coming off, so I sanded it with 500 grit sandpaper. Make it nice. Don't go too deep where you see metal, because you will have to prime after this. If you see metal, you will have to prime this, because the paint does not stick to metal as much. So as you can see, I made it like all straight, and then I'm gonna sand like pretty much the whole vehicle and start painting it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the bottom part. So I put like this wire, like going like from this side, like this, like this, like this, inside there, so in case if it, like you hit something, or it will not rip apart. It may crack though, but it will not rip apart. So as you can see, like right here, there was a rip right here, here, and right here, also there were many. So I cannot guarantee that it will not actually like once you hit something, it will not crack or something. It may crack though, so that's why you actually it's better to buy a new one. It's always better to buy a new one. But in my case, I've seen some, like if this gonna crack, then I could just install a new lip that goes right on here, and they sell them like for about $100. But this one is worth about $120, brand new. So, or in the future I might get like a new bumper, like the whole thing and stuff like that. So, and then you would actually prime it and then sand it with 500 grit sandpaper, and you can paint. And as you can see, I used bundle glass everywhere on my vehicle. No body filler, because body filler actually cracks, but bundle glass, it's really good uh, especially holds to the metal like really good. So but before you apply the bonder glass, you have to sand the surface with 80 grit. Yeah, so guys, if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.